This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a drawing table. First, select a well-lit area, ideally with natural light, and ensure you have enough room to move freely around your workspace. A stable table is crucial, so check for any wobbles. Adjust its height to suit your posture, whether sitting or standing. Finally, collect all your drawing essentials like pencils, paper, and erasers, placing them conveniently nearby. This preparation saves time and enhances your creative flow. Now, let's adjust your drawing table. Many tables offer an adjustable tilt mechanism. Find an angle that feels most comfortable for your neck and eyes, typically between 0 and 60 degrees. Use clamps or tape to secure your paper or drawing board firmly to the surface, preventing any unwanted movement. Position your primary light source, like a desk lamp, to cast light from above and slightly to the side, minimizing shadows that could obscure your lines. This setup ensures clear visibility. Maintaining good ergonomics is vital for long drawing sessions. Sit with your feet flat on the floor and your back straight, avoiding slouching. An adjustable chair with lumbar support can make a significant difference in preventing back pain. Remember to take short breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every 30 to 60 minutes, to stand up, stretch, and rest your eyes. This practice helps prevent fatigue and keeps you comfortable, allowing you to focus on your art for longer periods. Finally, let's talk about organizing your drawing space. Keep your most frequently used tools, such as pencils, erasers, and a ruler, within an arm's reach on your table. For less common items like specialty pens or paints, utilize nearby drawers, shelves, or storage trays to keep your main surface clear. A tidy workspace promotes a clear mind and reduces distractions. Make it a habit to clean up after each session, ensuring your area is ready for your next creative endeavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.